Well, something got our hens. They put up a battle. It's been raining today. We've got some big roosters. Big boys. Healthy big boys. Compare the hen size. So we only have 2 hens now. We had 6 hens about a week ago. Of course, she's not happy. This is our old girl. She talks to me the whole time. I'll walk. I can go walking and say, who needs a dog? Yeah. Yes. Yes. We don't know what's killing the hens, but David put up 2 traps. So guess it could be a raccoon. There's a carcass over here, a chicken carcass. I don't want to take these girls too close to it, but if you walk back here, right over there, that white. Let's see if I can zoom. Yeah, it's a chicken. That's what's left of a chicken there. So whatever it is, dragged it over here. And that's our acreage as well, way over there. It's a low-lying area where the natural drainage happens. Anyway, so we're going to have to move our chicken coop. We're trying to help these 2 girls survive, because we get on average, you know how it goes, every 26 hours, 26 hours we get an egg. So these 2 should keep us with good eggs, but we've got to help them survive. So we've been keeping them pinned up because we didn't know what predator is through here. We need to get our wild game camera set up over there. But they're definitely getting killed inside their pen. Whatever it is, it's making its way inside because it's got netting on top of it. We can't figure it out. The roosters are next door to the hen. They don't stay in the same thing, so the girls have their nesting boxes. Anyway, it's our last two hens. Well, we have one up there that's got a lame leg, but